In this short video, we will show you some simple tips that will let you capture broadcast quality footage for your heritage project, event and activities using the camera on your smartphone. We will be using an iPhone 15, but you will find similar settings on most modern smartphones. Open your smartphone camera app and choose Video from the menu at the bottom of the screen. Turn your camera to landscape and let's look at the options, starting from the top on the left-hand side. This is a number of frames per second. You can change this by selecting it. We recommend a setting of 25 frames per second, which is the default setting. Next is the resolution. You can choose between HD and 4K. We recommend shooting in 4K to get the best quality footage. You can select action mode if you're filming a fast-moving outdoor scene, a bike race for example. ProRes is the mode you would select if you are shooting footage to send to a professional editing studio. We recommend leaving this off if you are shooting for your own use. The flash mode is designed for still photography. We do not recommend using it for video. Use independent lighting if you need extra light on your subject. On the right-hand menu, with video selected, you can choose different zoom options. 0.5 for a wide shot, 1 for normal framing, 2 for a closer shot, and 5 for a serious close-up. This avoids having to move your position, particularly if you're using a tripod, which is always recommended. If you press and hold the zoom option, you can access more precise framing by using the selection wheel. Other options include cinematic mode. This option blurs the background slightly, highlighting your main subject in the frame. Slow-Mo lets you record footage that plays back in slow motion. And Time-Lapse mode will let you shoot footage over a long period, which then speeds up when played back. You may have seen this used on construction sites. When framing a scene ready to shoot on normal video, you can select the main focus of your shot by touching the screen. This will put your chosen person or object in sharp focus. When you're ready to shoot, click the round red button. The button will turn into a square to show you are recording. To stop recording, click again. We hope you enjoyed this first in our series of how-to videos. Look out for future videos covering framing, capturing sound, lighting, movement, and useful equipment.